Hello YouTube family and friends. Today is going to be a big day for my garden. I'm going to harvest my onions. A lot of you will remember this when I went to water it last time, a while back. Now it's time to harvest because it's been really cold and I don't want them to start rotting away. So I'm going to show you how big they are and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it, okay? All right, thank you. And this is my sister Eden. She's harvesting our Asian pear because we're not gonna be here. And the birds have been eating them, so
I'll be eating the rest.
it's all time to harvest and they're dropping and the birds are getting them, so.
Look how big that is.
Yeah.
You know, in the store, this is like maybe $3 or a piece.
Something like that, yeah. They're very expensive, but we have like 5 trees of Asian pears. And they're time to harvest and she's gonna take it home. I'm so glad that she will do that because there's a lot of them and it's getting wasted. So we also have some apples in here, apple tree, and we don't have very many left because it's been dropping and the deer has been eating them. That's apple right there. See, it's not too many anymore because yeah, I know. And then it's time to harvest them. See that right there? I told myself I was gonna make some applesauce, but you know what? I didn't have enough time. So everything is winterized. The motorhome is winterized. The motorboat is winterized. It's all ready to go. And now it's time to harvest the pears. Asian pears. I offered it to a lot of people over here and it seems like everybody has a tree, so there's still a lot right there and so nobody wants to take it, you know, and my sister is gonna take them and I'm glad, and I told her to give them away if she can't eat all of them or leave it outside so it stays fresh for a long time as long as it doesn't freeze. And the deer has been been eating them too. See, look how big they are. Right there. See how big that is? Right there, see? They're very, very sweet and super, super delicious. So it's all time. I mean, it's time to harvest them. Look at that. That's like huge. See, right here. It's big. And I think I'll take this one because I want to take him with me when I go. And my garden, there's still some bloom, but not a whole lot anymore, of course. But these are the dahlias. These are hardy dahlias. They grow when it's really cold out here, you know. As long as it doesn't freeze, they'll continue to bloom and continue to grow, so. Okay. Leaves is gonna fall out pretty soon. It's still sunny today though. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. We are on our way to harvest the onion at my daughter's house. She let me use her garden this time because I don't have any more room in my garden. So this is our neighborhood. A beautiful, peaceful, quiet neighborhood, less crime. We've been here almost 25 years and I've only known a couple crimes, which is a break-in on our cars here. It wasn't ours, but somebody else, but that's all we know. And here's my sister again. She's gonna help me harvest the onions since we're gonna be gone. She can keep all the onions herself, and it's pretty awesome. This is the first time that I was able to grow the onions the right way. Here's the kids park here in our neighborhood, and I'm gonna pick some apple because these are really good apple here. And the apple here grows everywhere. They're free, take them. These are the sweetest apple right here. This is my favorite. They're gonna come out on the side. So this is my onion garden right here. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest it. See, look at that. They're pretty big. Look at all these onions. I cannot wait. But hi daughter. Yeah, so we're gonna harvest it today. We're gonna harvest it today, give some to our daughter, give some to my sister, because we're not gonna use them. So just want to take a picture. They're so big. Look how, holy cow.
Did you just buy the little thing?
Yeah, look how big they are.